It's been a warm, windy day across southeast Texas. Warm front worked in off the Gulf of Mexico this morning. We saw a few widely scattered showers today. Not many. I didn't think we'd see many showers today. Most of the activity well to our north. We're running in the upper 70s. Cloudy skies. Our Roofing 911 Skycam network over in Lake Charles. Pretty warm and humid and windy too. In fact, here's a look at the future wind gusts overnight tonight. We're expecting some gusts 10 to 15, maybe up to 20 miles an hour. And throughout the day tomorrow, some gusts 20 to 30. So it just continues to roll on. The windy, warm and humid weather. Lots of clouds working in. A few showers off to our northeast up toward Oakdale and Alexandria. Most areas as expected today staying dry. We got 2 more dry days and things begin to change. The next cold front comes in on Wednesday, so with some scattered showers and storms there. About half the area seeing some rain. Then that coverage jumps to 70% for Thursday, Friday, and it should start slowly tapering off as we head into the Easter weekend. But we could see several inches of rain coming up on Thursday and Friday as that front stalls just offshore in the northern Gulf. Upper level disturbances riding that, giving us the heavy rains. Tonight, severe weather focused in on the Dallas and North Texas area, eventually on into Arkansas and portions of northwestern Louisiana. In fact, let's take a look at that on kind of expanding out on futurecast this evening. See from Lufkin northward, some showers and storms, with the biggest complex of storms northeast of Dallas. We'll put this in motion. Notice some of these try to work down and get pretty close to the lakes area before falling apart later tonight, but we'll give the lakes a 30% coverage of storms late tonight. But as you saw there, most of the showers should weaken before they move into the northern Jasper and Tyler County areas. But there's a chance a couple of those could hold together, so we'll keep an eye on that. Southerly winds continuing as that warm front has worked well to the north into North Texas and southern Arkansas. And you can see the heavy storms off to our north and northwest, kind of a zoomed in shot of a live radar in Dallas. Most of the heavy storms now have pushed east of Dallas up toward Paris. Big storms around Tyler on over toward Shreveport. Temperatures running very warm statewide, 70s, 80s. How about some 90s still? Laredo at 93 degrees, 76 Lake Charles, 69 with heavy storms now in Tyler, right along that warm front pushing on off to the north and east. There is a severe thunderstorm watch in effect from Dallas on over to portions of northeast Texas west of Shreveport. That's where all the action will be tonight, well to our north, except that slight chance working into the lakes area later tonight. Now here's what's going to happen toward the middle and end of the week. Cold front stalls out just offshore northern Gulf of Mexico. Notice these areas of red here. Those are the upper level disturbances. Going to be overriding the front, causing lift and energy in the atmosphere. Notice on Thursday, more lift. On Friday, more moisture, more lift in the atmosphere. It's just one disturbance after another coming in from the southwest. So we have the potential for some pretty heavy rains coming up, beginning especially early Thursday on into late Friday. It'll be on and off. Could see some 2 to 4 inch rains pretty easily. You can see that on Futurecast. The storms working in on Wednesday with a cold front. Then we'll get a little break. Then we have heavy storms Thursday morning. We'll run it through, a little break Thursday afternoon. More heavy rains Friday morning, and then begin to finally start tapering off as we head into the Easter weekend. But several inches of rain quite likely. That shows up on our projected rainfall totals. Some 2, 4, 5 inch rains possible out of this event coming up by Thursday, Friday into early Saturday. This will change some, but just shows you the potential for heavy showers and thunderstorms toward the middle end of the week. No severe weather expected, just some good rains. Tonight, mostly cloudy to cloudy, south winds. It's going to be warm and humid. 30% coverage of storms for the northern lakes later tonight. See if any of those storms hold together from North Texas. Tomorrow, back to partly sunny, warm, humid, windy. No rain really expected tomorrow or Tuesday. We'll have highs in the 80s both days. That marine forecast, water temp up to 70, sees 2 to 4 feet. Southeast winds up to about 14 knots currently. Tonight, much warmer, humid, windy, not much of a chance of rain except for the northern lakes. We'll give them 30%. And then that 10-day forecast, no rain tomorrow or Tuesday, 50% Wednesday, 70% coverage Thursday, Friday. And notice not only the big chances of rain here, but notice the cool temperatures. Lows in the 50s, highs only in the 60s with that rain Thursday and Friday. Sapphire?